Hey, this is Nick Pinault, the EMF guy, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your iPhone screen completely red. And to show you how it looks like, this is an actual iPhone screen. This is an iPhone 7, and I just removed virtually any blue light that's emitted by this phone. And you guys might have heard about blue light and the fact that looking at an iPhone before going to sleep will disrupt your melatonin production. That's your most important sleep hormone. It's also a very important cancer fighting hormone and antioxidant. So to prevent that, if you want to look at your phone at night, I suggest using this trick that's way more powerful than the night shift option. So let me grab the phone a second. I'll walk through the steps with you, and you can hit pause on this video and do it yourself. And you see that you can also activate this red screen option with a simple triple click. So that way, if you need to look at pictures or see the actual color, you can. So it's not a permanent thing. It's something you can switch on and off as you please. So let's check it out. So this is the iPhone 7 from my wife and partner Jen, and any iPhone should have the same principle. You simply go under General right here, and then you scroll down until you see Accessibility. You actually don't scroll down that much, and then Accessibility, you want to select something called the color filters that is under display accommodations. So if you follow General, Accessibility, Display accommodations, and you can pause this video to follow along, and then it's color filters, and once you see all these pans, you know you're at the right place. Click on color filters, you'll say on, and what you want to do is select right here, and you don't see it that much because it's on, color tint, and you can reduce or add the intensity. So basically, as you start, it won't be selected. It will be something like that. So it's slightly reddish. You want to select color tint at the end of this list, and you could go grayscale, right? Remove all colors. That could be an option. But if you want red, color tint, and then the intensity, you can crank it up to your liking. As you can see, the red is on, but there's still blue. I can see the blue. So if you really want to reduce the sleep disrupting effect of your phone, you want to crank up this intensity, and now it's super red, and people will ask you about it. This is a great conversation starter. The next step, let me reduce that for a little bit so that way I show you, is to go back. So I go back into Accessibility. Remember, so it's just so under the settings, General, and then Accessibility, and you scroll down at the very bottom. Now I want to activate the triple click. So Accessibility shortcut, and what this means is that now when I do the triple click, it's gonna do one of these right here. So I want to select color filters. So that way, when I triple click, you gotta triple click pretty fast. Then you see that it's on and it's off. So if I want to adjust the color and make it super red, I can go back in display accommodations and color filters, and I can crank up the intensity to the maximum. And this is the way I personally like it, and you can do it to your liking. And then you could just go back to the main screen, and then you see that the triple click is on. So that way, from now on, anytime you're at night or in an environment where you want less blue light, maybe even at the movies, you can have this red screen on. And if you don't want it, let's say I want to look at a picture, there you go. That's it. It's as simple as it gets. So here's the final product. I've got this phone here, and we don't see the lighting so well, but this is definitely a lot of blue light. It's like super bright, burning my eyes. And if I just triple click on it, and now it's very red. So this is how easy it is, and you can just triple click back. There you go. I hope you like it. I'm Nick Pinot, the EMF guy, and if you like these tricks and want to learn about electromagnetic fields and how to use your technology more safely, check out my book, The Non-Tinfoil Guide on EMFs, and you'll find links right below this video or in all good Amazon stores. All right, guys, see you.